Understanding blowout repair, a simple guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language, blowout repair. This term can be quite intriguing, especially for those learning English. So, let's dive in and unravel its meaning together. Firstly, let's understand the word blowout. In general, a blowout refers to a sudden bursting or rupture, often of a tire or a pipe. However, it can also mean a large, celebratory party or a situation where one competitor defeats another by a large margin in sports. Context is key to understanding its use. Now, let's look at the word repair. This term is simpler. It means to fix something that is broken or damaged. It involves restoring something to a good condition after it has been broken, damaged, or worn out. When we combine these terms to form blowout repair, the meaning becomes specific to the context. In a literal sense, it could refer to fixing something that has burst or broken suddenly, like repairing a tire after a blowout. However, the phrase might be used metaphorically in different contexts, like fixing the consequences of a large party or addressing the fallout from a major sports defeat. To understand better, let's see some examples. 1. The mechanic specialized in blowout repairs for trucks. 2. After the New Year's Eve blowout, we had quite the blowout repair job on our hands with all the cleaning up. Be cautious not to confuse blowout with blow up, which has a different meaning. Also, remember that repair implies a restoration process, not just a temporary fix. I hope this video has helped clarify the phrase blowout repair for you. Remember, understanding the context is crucial in English phrases. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.